Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Dadima's kitchen. Today we'll be making a breakfast platter. First up, we'll need a fruit salad. First up, we'll be making a fruit salad. We'll need some oranges and some apples as well, which are chopped up. Next, we'll need a plate and a spoon. Now what we'll do is we'll scoop the oranges into the plate. And also, we will also scoop the apples into the plate in a minute. So don't scoop all of them because we've got too many apples. So just scoop a bit of them into the plate. And they're also chopped up apples. Now we will just mix the fruit salad up. Done. Okay, now we'll just move that to the side and put that pot in the washing so we can wash it later. Okay, now we'll be making some bread slices with 3 kinds of spreads. First though, we will have to make some tiny slices of bread because this is for Barbie. Okay, now I'll just pick it out and we'll flatten it out. And then we'll do some more slices. Let's quickly do all of them. We're going to make 4 slices because we'll do 2 chocolate because we love chocolate spread, and we'll do some other spreads as well. Okay, so we've got 3 different slices, so we'll have to spread them onto our bread slices. Got chocolate spread, and we'll need to do 2 of them, one for Barbie and one for Ken, because they both love it. Okay, now we'll have to have our next slice. Okay, so next one is peanut butter, which is Ken's favorite because it's nice and salty for him. after that, we've got some strawberry flavoured jam, which is Barbie's favourite because she loves red and she also loves strawberry flavour. So this is just right for her. Okay, so now let's just make it into a tiny sandwich for them, and then they can just eat it. Okay, so those are the slices ready. Next, we're going to be making some coffee. So we've got a pot. Okay, so let's get our pot. And we're going to add some hot water to it. So first we'll just add some regular water. And then, so we've got some water in it. And let's just add it onto that so that I can warm up. Okay, so the water is ready, nice and hot. You'll only need a bit. Now we've got some coffee beans which we're going to add into the water. So let's get the pot and just add all of the coffee beans in. Okay, now we'll just mix that up. Now we'll add some milk. Just add a bit because we don't want to be too milky, otherwise the flavour will run out. Let's mix it up. Now we've got our little teacup for Barbie, and let's just pour a bit in for her. It's ready.
This food looks so delicious. Thank you for making it, Barbie.
You're welcome.
Wow, this is so great. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
They're recording. Hi. Please, thank you for watching Dadima's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe and
Like, share, and click the... Yeah, already said that. Click the like button. Oh yeah, and make sure to keep watching our latest videos and keep track on the amazing mini foods we make, like the next one we're going to be doing, which is the Ramadan Iftari.
goodbye.
Oh, goodbye.
Thank you. Yummy.